Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maisarah Adiena and my last ID number is 70. I'm 4th semester student of English education at Syarif Hidayatullah University, Jakarta. In this video, I would like to do a book promotion. It is my pleasure to introduce to you about Trends in Bilingual Acquisition, a wonderful book written by Jason Canos and Fred Guinness. This book is the first volume in the Trends in Bilingual Acquisition Research, which is explore the complicated world of how children acquire and manage multiple language from an early age. This book was published by John Benjamin Publishing Company in 2001, and this book has 288 pages. Okay, after you know what this book is about, maybe you're curious about who is this book for. Basically, Trends in Bilingual Acquisition is a book that discusses how to acquire and manage multiple language in children from an early age, whether you are researchers, educators, or simply curious about bilingualism. This book has something valuable to offer. This book is designed for a very wide range of readers. The first one is researchers and academics in the field of linguistic, child development, and psychology will find a treasure of insight and empirical data. Second is educators and parents who is raising or teaching bilingual children will gain deeper understanding of the bilingual acquisition process. And absolutely this book is suitable for a student in related field can use this book as a comprehensive research for their studies. And last, this book is suitable for anyone interested in the cognitive and developmental aspect of language acquisitions will find this book interesting and informative. So those are the people who are suitable for reading this book. Maybe you are one of them, so you must to get this book immediately. Okay, now I will tell you about this book. Have a simple design to discuss various aspects of bilingual mastery, which is have systematically and easily understood. And the discussion in this book is divided into several chapters, but you no need to worry how many chapters because the discussion in this book is grouped into 9 chapters, and there are only 9 chapters, and there are representative discussion about bilingualism. First chapter 1, discussed about the simultaneous acquisition of two language, early differentiation and subsequent development of grammar. Chapter 2 discuss about the emergency of verbal morphology and the lead-like pattern issue in bilingual acquisitions. Chapter 3 discuss about early language differentiation in bilingual infant which is a baby. And chapter 4 discuss about language differentiation in bilingual infants. Chapter 5 past tense verb forms, discourse context, and input feature in bilingual and monolingual acquisition of Basque and Spanish about two countries. And chapter 6 is finding first word in the input definitions from a bilingual child. And chapter 7 managing linguistic boundaries and early trilingual development. Chapter 8 discuss about bilingual first language acquisitions, a discourse perspective on language context in parent-child interactions. And the last chapter discuss about bilingual children repair strategy during the dyadic communications. So that's all 9 chapters in this book. Now I will give you an overview of the content of each chapter so that you have an idea of the contents of this book before you decide to read it. Chapter 1 discuss research that focus on the development of children under the age of the 5 on the ability to master 2 languages in one individual. The children who from birth or early in life have learned 2 or more languages and go through the same development sequence and eventually acquire the same grammatical knowledge as monolingual children. And next, chapter 2 will discuss how children who learn 2 languages, one of which is more grammatically complex and can express periods where they are better at one language than the other, explaining that children show different patterns of development for each language learned, and language with more clear grammatical rules help children understand grammatical concept earlier. Okay, next I will give you overview about chapter 3. Discuss how baby can understand and difference between the 2 languages they are born hearing. The chapter explains that babies can difference between the 2 languages even though they have the same rhythm. Next, chapter 4 discuss about research on baby language development at the babbling stage. It discusses whether a baby who receives 2 languages from birth will have a different way of babbling depending on the other speakers. In this case, the parents. Next, chapter 5, it will discuss about how bilingual children and monolingual children, 2 language and 3 language children, difference in using the past tense in their verbs. It also discusses the cause of the difference, whether it is influenced by the mother tongue or the way parents speak to their children. Okay, next chapter is chapter 6 discuss about how bilingual children acquire the first word. It discussed through research whether bilingual children acquire first words from objects around them or learn from the words that appear at the end of each word because they are easily to recognize. And chapter 7 will discuss the importance of research on multilingual children who are just beginning to learn to speak, how to understand the language acquisition process of multilingual children, and how they choose language to speak. And chapter 8 will discuss about how parental interactions between parents and children affect the process of learning 2 language, how the context of conversation and the order of conversation between the parent and children can affect the language used by bilingual children. And the last chapter will discuss about the communication skill of young bilingual children. It discusses how bilingual children recognize and fix communication error, and then that occur because of using a different language from the other person and immediately translate it into the other person's language. This is a skill that bilingual children have. Speaker in this case that the parents who have a 2 language. For example, the father use the English language and the mother use the Indonesian language. So how to their children fix the error when the children must to speak with the another person with the another language they acquire. So overall from me about the insightful book Threads in Bilingual Acquisition written by Jason Camas and Fred Gaines, readers are taken on a comprehensive journey into the world of bilingual language development, which has many aspects. The book is a collection of important papers exploring the complex process of bilingualism in children and drawn from presentations at the 18th International Congress for the Study of Child Language, covering a wide range of research. The book investigates how children acquire two languages at the same time, offering a deep explorations of their early linguistic differentiations and grammatical development. And important contributes include an examinations of verbal morphology in bilingual toddler and the unique ways in which bilingual navigate linguistic boundaries. Okay, so each chapter, we just have a 9 chapter, present empirical data, innovative methodologies, and theoretical insight that collectively improve our understanding of bilingual acquisitions. This book is not only emphasize the cognitive and social dimensions of raising bilingual children, but also challenge and improve upon unstable theories of language acquisitions. With contributions from leading experts in the field, this book is an essential resource for researchers, educators, and also parents and students, explaining the dynamic and complex nature of bilingual language learning. So that's all from me about trends in bilingual acquisitions. If you're interested and want to read more about this book, you can comment and I will give you an ebook free from this book. Hopefully this video will be useful from those of you who are looking for books on bilingual development. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.